Stop by and take a look at the 2013 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, power passenger seat, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.